One tick of flaps. Dynam Grand Cruiser coming out. Sorry for the shaking. Coming down here to get to the end of the runway. Low pass here in front of us. One more back the other way. Nice and slow. That's clean, no flaps. We'll try it again with flaps. Bring it in a little tighter here. This is a good scale flyer. It does not have very much speed at all. Of course, it's only on a 3S 2200. Give us a high-speed pass in front of us here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. There's full throttle. And then go vertical. And right there, she's already ran out. So the 3S 2200 powering the twin motors just doesn't really give enough amps output. But it's a great fun scale flyer, especially after putting the carbon fiber supports in the wings. I had one of these before, and I messed around and traded it and $100 for a Pulse 60, which I later sold, and regret it, getting rid of that Pulse 60. I've been looking for one, can't find it. And when you do find one, they're ridiculously high. Alright, we'll make a gear pass on the next pass here. Alright, gears being deployed. They all three came down. Make sure nobody's on the line here. Taxi back around to us. There it is, Dynam Grand Cruiser. Really good scale fun flyer. Thanks for watching.